Do you want to know how to sell a crypto on your Coinbase? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to access your Coinbase on your mobile device, and after that, you need to tender or enter your credentials for you to able to access your account. And once you're in, you will see this page, and for you to able to sell cryptocurrency on your Coinbase, you just have to click on your crypto if you have one or any cryptocurrencies. But in my case, I do have add crypto because I currently do not have any cryptocurrencies on my Coinbase. So basically, in this case, I will just use the search icon right there at the top and simply search for the cryptocurrency that you wanted to sell. For example, I wanted to sell an Ethereum. So I will just click and search for Ethereum, click for it, and just simply use the swap logo for you to able to swap Ethereum into USDT, or just simply use the send icon for you to able to send to another wallet address so that you could send or even sell it on another exchanger.